This is a no bullshit review of the DJI Neo 2, aimed at the lone creator by DJI, which I think means you ain't got no mates, which is perfect for like me on a day like today. We're here to find out whether it's actually any good for mountain biking, and more importantly, should you spend your hard-earned cash on one? So let's go and find out. All right. So we are sat to cycling follow, rear right, far flat. Send it up.
Rear, cycling follow, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Still with us? Come on, folks. Doing all right. All right. Cheers. Okay. Good girl. Okay, come. Morning, you're right. You got a friend there, fella. Still with us? Come on, folks. Nice. Still with us? Come on back. Nope. Yep. We made it. So we're on a little bit of a climb. I'm just going to set it off to medium front flat if it wants to go.
Front, cycling follow, 3, 2, 1.
And possibly the worst gear to go up a hill. Now we've got a tree coming up as well, so is it going to see it? Or is it going to go straight in it? So we all know that going backwards is the difficult one. Now I will be amazed if it gets through here. Absolutely amazed. So I think it's just going to follow on until it can work out how to get in front of me. Like that. Over a tree and back. Fair enough. Fair enough. I've got some gorse bushes coming up. Am I going to be fishing out of a gorse bush? That'll be fun. No, it's going to go up. Up, up, up. Magic. Right, come on back. Come on back.
Front, cycling follow, 3, 2, 1.
So one of the things that I want to find out about this is obviously it's got gesture controls, but on the mountain biking, you're not going to be stood still. So does it recognise on the move? No, it doesn't. So I have to stop, then put my hand up to move you, to then continue. So when walking, you can use the gestures, but as soon as you're over maybe a slow running pace, the gesture control doesn't work. So that's maybe worth noting. Going backwards, obstacle avoidance. Is it going to work, this trees? It's trying its hardest. Oh, tree. Oh, I see. So it gets lost and then comes back around to the front. Nice. Come on back. Come on. Come on back. There you go. On to the next one. So I've just come to a bit of a, it's not that fast of a trail, it's more techie and just through the trees. It's a bit notorious for lots of little trees. So a little challenge, I'm going to set it to rear flat medium just to give it its best chance, because this obstacle avoidance works best on the front, and plus by myself I'm not going to see if it goes in the tree, and can't be arsed fishing it out of a bush unless I really have to. Ow! Found it! Ow! Yeah. Ow! So let's give it a go.
Rear. Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
So right, that's now up in the air. Let's just take a ponder into these trees. Come on, Oki. There are twigs everywhere, which we know they don't do well with. There's no leaves on the trees. I'm not going particularly quick at all. In fact, I'm going really bloody slow. Oh dear. Look. Where did it go? So it's in a bush somewhere. And this is the problem you're going to have. It did really well. So we're just going to log into the app. And see if it can find it. So it says it's in the area. So it's connecting. Where did it go? Right, connection successful, so hopefully it's not in the water down there. Got it. Right, it's looking at a bush. So, and then where do we go from here? Find my drone. Start flashing and beeping. Where are you? Ah, there it is. I walked straight past it. It's in a bush. Come back, my little friend. There we go. Beep, beep, beep.
Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
Righty ho. Right, we're up in the air. So we're on rear, medium, really sketchy light, no leaves on the trees, icy as hell. I can't hear it for love nor money. Come on, folks. Left. It's in a hedge. It's in a hedge. Guess we're getting the app out again. Unless we can see it. Where did it go, Pokes? See, this is the one biggest thing. Ah, there it is. We got it. It's upside down. When you're by yourself, you struggle to find it. Okay, so since we lost it in a bush doing a rear follow, I'm just going to give it a bit of a workout. I'm going to make it do a right follow and see if it's going to avoid the trees or whether it's just going to go behind me. Where is it? So it clearly defaults to rear follow when it can't follow you. So on that last ascent, that was set to rear follow, and it took a bit of a tumble. And ironically, I actually did a bit better when it was on a right follow. So I'm not sure whether it's the light that's coming through the trees in front of us. So I'm just going to give it another crack down through this next section of woods, which this bit of woods is probably more representative of what a lot of people are going to probably be trying to use this for. Granted, DJI never actually designed this, that I believe, for woodlands and sticks and trees with no leaves on. It was designed for out, flat, open, but let's give it some proper real world testing.
Rear. Cycling follow. 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's give that a go, shall we? So the light coming through the trees on the left is probably going to be difficult for it. Straight in a tree. There we go. It's in a bush. Oh! Found it!
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man got to do? Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man got to do? What's he got to do now?
And there we have it. We're back to the van, having put 2 battery packs through the DJI Neo 2, whilst out on the bike ride with the dog. Hopefully that's given some of you that are maybe thinking about one of these an idea of its true potential when it comes to mountain biking. Has it come unstuck a few times? Totally, and I was expecting it to. This thing's thinking about 1,000,001 things all the time that it's trying to follow you. And maybe in the summer, with a few more leaves on the trees, this will be an A-star performer. But for what it is, personally, I think it's one of the best bits of kit that you can have when it comes to cameras and mountain biking. Sling it in your pack, go and pick one up. With that, I'm going for a coffee. I shall see you on the next one.